Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Steam Machine is probably one of the most exciting innovations in personal care technology, offering a spa-like facial experience right in the comfort of your own home. This device utilizes advanced steam technology to open up pores, allowing for a deeper cleanse and better absorption of skin care products, ultimately leading to a clearer, more radiant complexion. It's designed to mimic the professional facial steaming treatments you'd get at a salon, but with the convenience and privacy of at-home use, making it a game-changer for anyone looking to elevate their skincare routine and achieve that coveted healthy glow. Number 5. Pure Daily Care NanoSteamer Teal. Transform your skincare routine with our advanced facial steamer. Achieve professional spa results in the comfort of your own home. This powerful device deeply cleanses your skin, effectively unclogging pores. Say goodbye to blackheads and hello to clearer, smoother skin. Utilizing cutting-edge Nano Ionic technology, it delivers a fine, soothing mist. This enhances moisture absorption and revitalizes your complexion. Enjoy a safe and comfortable steaming experience with its precise temperature control. It ensures optimal results without any risk of burns. More than just a facial steamer, it also functions as a humidifier. It's a versatile addition to your self-care arsenal. This set comes with a bonus 5-piece stainless steel skin kit. Everything you need for a complete facial treatment is right here. What we like. This device offers versatile functionality, acting as a steamer, humidifier, and pore unclogger. Its precise temperature control ensures a safe and effective experience. If you're looking for a multifunctional tool for comprehensive facial care at home, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The steam machine is designed for facial use, providing a convenient way to enjoy steam treatments at home. It features a powerful steam output that effectively opens pores and moisturizes the skin. The adjustable nozzle allows for precise targeting of steam, ensuring a comfortable and effective experience. Number 4. GUGUG Pink Skin Scrubber Spatula. Tired of stubborn blackheads and excess oil? This device offers a deep cleanse for your pores, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. With 4 distinct modes, it adapts to your skin's needs for a customized and effective skincare experience. Achieve a clearer complexion with ease. Designed for use on wet skin, it gently yet effectively removes impurities without causing irritation. Enjoy a spa-like treatment in the comfort of your home. Featuring a 5-minute auto-off function, it ensures optimal usage and prevents overtreatment. Plus, its USB charging makes it convenient for on-the-go. Rediscover your skin's natural radiance. This tool helps you achieve a smoother, cleaner, and healthier-looking complexion with regular use. What we like. This skin scrubber utilizes advanced technology for deep pore cleansing and blackhead removal. It's designed for use on wet skin, making it convenient for your shower routine. If you struggle with stubborn blackheads and excess oil, and prefer a tool that works effectively on damp skin, consider this option. What people say. The steam machine provides a consistent and fine mist for effective facial steaming. Its compact design makes it easy to store and use in any bathroom. The adjustable steam levels allow for a customized facial treatment experience. Number 3. Pure Daily Care NuDerma Neon Wand. Unlock a more youthful appearance with our advanced skin therapy wand. It's designed to target common signs of aging for a smoother complexion. Achieve visibly tighter skin with consistent use. This device helps to improve skin elasticity and firmness for a lifted look. Diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Our therapy wand works to smooth out your skin's texture, revealing a refreshed look. Combat dark circles and under-eye concerns. It helps to revitalize the delicate skin around your eyes, making them appear brighter. Promote a clearer, more radiant complexion. This tool aids in purifying the skin, leaving it looking healthy and balanced. Don't forget your scalp. This versatile wand also stimulates hair follicles, promoting healthier hair growth and a revitalized scalp. What we like. Harnessing the power of neon technology, this wand targets signs of aging like wrinkles and dark circles. It also promotes skin tightening and can stimulate hair and scalp. If you are focused on anti-aging treatments and desire a more youthful complexion, this device is tailored for you. What people say. The steam machine is designed with a compact and portable body, making it easy to carry around. It features a powerful steam output that effectively opens up pores for a deep cleanse. The adjustable nozzle allows for customized steam direction, ensuring a comfortable and targeted facial treatment. Number 2. Facial Steamer Ozone Nano Ionic. Experience a deep clean like never before. This device uses advanced technology to purify your skin effectively. Reach every part of your face with ease. Its extendable arm and 360 degrees rotating nozzle ensure comprehensive coverage. Enjoy extended skincare sessions. The large water tank provides up to 40 minutes of continuous steam. Bring the salon experience to your home. Achieve professional results with daily use for healthier-looking skin. Infused with Nano Ionic steam, it penetrates your skin for optimal hydration and cleansing. Reveal a refreshed complexion. Incorporate this into your routine effortlessly. It's designed for simple, effective daily skincare. What we like? Experience deep cleaning with Ozone Nano Ionic steam, delivered through a flexible 360 degrees rotating nozzle. Its large water tank provides ample steam for extended use. If you desire a professional-level facial steam at home with great flexibility and duration, this steamer is ideal. What people say. The steam machine is designed with a compact and portable form factor, making it easy to store and travel with. It features an adjustable steam level, allowing users to customize the intensity for their specific skin needs. The device includes a built-in aromatherapy function, which can be used with essential oils to enhance the facial steaming experience. Number 1. Facial Steamer Spa Kit. Experience a spa-like facial treatment in the comfort of your home. This comprehensive kit is designed to deeply cleanse and rejuvenate your skin. Our advanced steamer opens pores for a thorough cleanse, removing impurities and preparing your skin for better absorption of treatments. Included are 17 essential skincare tools to complement your steaming routine. Achieve a complete facial care experience with everything you need. Beyond facial steaming, it features a humidifier mode to gently moisturize the air. Enjoy a soothing and relaxing atmosphere. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This spa kit is an ideal choice for birthdays or any occasion, offering the ultimate self-care experience. Elevate your beauty regimen with this all-in-one facial steamer kit. It's time to indulge in professional-level skincare. What we like? This comprehensive kit includes 17 skincare tools, a towel warmer, and a humidifier mode for a complete spa experience. It's perfect for self-care or as a gift. If you love indulging in extensive skincare routines and appreciate the luxury of warm towels and added humidity, this set is a fantastic choice. What people say. The facial steamer has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any vanity. It produces a fine mist that effectively opens pores and hydrates the skin. The adjustable nozzle allows for customized steam direction, ensuring optimal treatment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.